Okay, this will be a demonstration of making an outbound call to comply with Google Voice, and also to demonstrate how to make an outbound call to an AI chatbot. So I'm going to paste the file name that I created just now on MSN Recorder Max, and it is called My Video Dash 25 for year 2025, 03 for the month of March, and 08 for the 8th day, and then the time.mpeg. In addition to that, I want to run also PSAR, problem step recorder, so I have a record of what I was doing. I want to set up the setting to 999 screenshots and start recording, and continue to find which of my account will be expire. So I'm going to search for Google Voice and see one of the accounts that will expire. So I'm going to Google Voice number, here it is. And I'm going to copy it to my notepad to reflect the fact that it will be expiring in 30 days. Like also to make a Google Drive. Like to make multiple Google Drives and download Google Drive for desktop. So it will be Google Drive, desktop Google Drive, desktop. I want to download it. Let me go also to my File Explorer to see if I have downloaded it already or not. The download, I have already Google Drive set up, so I have it already here. So I'll set it up for multiple Google Drive accounts. Okay, so first I want to log into this account. Run lanyard. Runs lanyard. And then we'll see what we can do. First I want to log into ARush runs lanyard at gmail.com. Wire, you're using Gemini on the web. So all of these are outdated emails. I want to delete them. Then I want to install I want to copy first of all the account, and then I want to install Google Drive for it. Copy and install Google Drive for this account. So I want to run Google Drive and install it for this account. Runs lanyard at gmail.com. So an instance of File Explorer, File Explorer, download, and I want to set up Google Drive for this account. Then I will rename it, username and password. So the username is runs lanyard. Then you enter an admin username and password. Yes. If I want to install the Google Drive, more choices. See, file origin, hard drive of this computer. More choices. What is the problem that they're having now? Okay, it doesn't seem to be working for me, so work, but since it doesn't work, I'm going to quit it for now and just go to make an outbound call. Outbound call. Want to go to voice. Voice, I would like to make an outbound call. GPT. It's calling.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT.
Tell me about a vanity number that spells the words runs lanyard. What can I do with it? I'm thinking about a business that uses a lanyard, a neck, wallet, phone, and badge holding lanyard. Yes, the question is, it, the question is, it is, the area code is not 800, it is runs lanyard. It is 786, not 800. Yeah, I would like to make sure that you understand the phone number, how to convert it to a phone number. Can you tell me how to convert it to a phone number? What about the area code? No, no, no. The area, no, the area code is 78. No, 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 the area code is 786. No, bye. So it will not expire, not expire in 30 days. And then I'm going to put the file name, my video at the end. And I called 800 Chat GPT. So I called 800 Chat GPT. Don't know why it doesn't let me run Google Drive properly, but it doesn't. Maybe I have to stop some of those programs. Okay, now I want to save it in my folder that is called Google Voice. So I'm going to scroll down to copy this Google Voice number. Here is Google Voice. Copy to the clipboard buffer first, and then scroll down and paste it at the beginning of the file name, Control V. Ready to save it. Make a note here called. That will be my file name. Be that it is running out of resources. So I copied it, file, save as, save. Now I want to mark that I saved it, so I'm going to put an X in front of it. And now I want to upload it to the cloud. I'm going to go to the cloud, to the drive, and then in drive I'm going to select new. After I select new, I'm going to select folder upload. Now it provides me with a space to paste the folder name. Paste the folder name, but I want to remove the remaining. So I'm going to delete it. And now I'm pressing enter. And enter again to upload. This is the default. And when it doesn't respond, I'll click the upload button. Then I click the upload button again. And then I click keep both folders. And then click upload yet again for the third time. Then I'm going to scroll the browser to the right so I can see that it says 19. And I'm going to place the number 19 here to indicate that there are 19 subfolder in this folder. And now that I've finished with that, I'm going to try to save it in a local folder. So I'm going to go File, Save As, and I'm going to look for the local folder that is a subfolder off of the document folder that starts with the words open parenthesis runs lanyard. So I'm going to scroll down to runs lanyard, and if it doesn't exist, I'll create it. I'm going for the letter R. Here is a run lanyard, and the number is a little mixed up. Runs lanyard. Okay, yes, here it is. This is it. So now I go inside. I copied the path to the clipboard buffer. Control C to copy. And then insert it at the beginning of the file name. Control V and backslash. Then copy and save. Then I'm going to paste it in my notes, Control V, and make an X in front of it that I'm going to upload it now to Drive. So I'm going to scroll to the left on the browser, select New, select Folder Upload, and then paste. Control V. And now I want to delete everything to the right of the slash. So I want to back up to the slash there and then press the delete button and delete all the characters that say that it will not expire. And now enter. And now enter again. And now click upload once and then select both. When it solicits me, asking me what do I like to upload, I guess I've done it for the first time, so it is not asking me. But it says here on the bottom that it upload complete. Let's see how many, 9 of 9. So I'm going to write the number 9 at the end here. And then I want to mark the area with the close brace and the file with an open brace to segregate it from the rest, to segregate the latest segment from the rest of the file. Oops. I want open brace. Several open brace characters at the beginning. And then file save again. Last thing I want to do is I want to refresh Psar. So I'm going to go to the Psar again, stop and review it, and then I want to make a comment with the latest file name. So I'm going to click add a comment. select save. Save. Copy the previous file name here. Then in front of it, put in another Control V. Want to change the path from the path that is currently there to another path of psar.exe. I'm going to delete the redundant part here. Delete. It is going to be a zip type of file. The time today is 2:43 p.m. So it is 2:43 p.m. 2.4.43. This is Sunday, and the date is 3/8. So it will be the third month, 3-8, 2025, and that is a Sunday. So that is correct. And now I'm going to take copy and paste it. P and backslash. Now I'm going to take the entire string, copy, and save. An error occurred while attempting to save the recorded steps. The system cannot find the path specified. Okay. So let's paste it again and see what is wrong with the path specified. See that anything is wrong with it, so I'll just remove the path and see if it will work without the path. Save. That was working fine. So let's review additional details to see how many steps that was. 160 steps so far. So now I want to go back and correct the mistake that I noticed that I had in this. First of all, I want to paste it here, Control V, file, save. Now while I'm logged there, let's try to do that. Let's see if I can download it again and reinstall and try to install Drive again. That will be interesting to see. So I'll start a new recording. Now I want to go to, I'm logged in here. I would like to go to Drive. Drive or from Google. Product. Desktop. That is what I want to say. Let's see if I can find Google Drive for desktop. Drive, Google, Workspace. Page. This is Google and the down another tab, another tab. Desktop, Google, yes. Google desktop, install this page, install Open Drive for desktop, load for Mac, download for Windows, load for Windows, let's see if I can run it again, I don't know. Install, what can I do? Download folder. Let's try to run it again. No, I'm logged into the right account here. See, okay. When I go to second one, I'll run it. Paste, sort right, runs, land, yard, gmail.com, squared, search for more details. Someone dictated hard problem. See, final origin. Or to run as administrator. That's why it doesn't work. Okay. I have to authenticate, and that's why it doesn't work. Alright, I forgot. That won't work. Yes, I have to run it as administrator, and that won't work here. Forgot. Okay, so we have to go to the next one, which is next account is Google voice number. This we deleted, we just finished. The next one is Google Voice. This is the next one that we have to deal with. Copy to the clipboard buffer. Then I'll put it in my notes. So the next one will segregate them with the brace instead of with the brace. Really, they use your bracket, so it's bracket for now. Then I'll paste Control V, the company name. And now I want to log in to this account. So I mark this account, copy to the clipboard buffer. Let's see if I can log in from that account to the other account. So I want to scroll down, add another account, Control V, strategy run. I think that it is strategy run, right? Next, let's like to delete everything. Alert. Then I want to navigate to voice, make an outbound call to ChatGPT. Outbound call to ChatGPT.
I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Help me figure out how to use this vanity phone number. The vanity phone number spells the word
The vanity number
extra.
to use 1-800-FLOWER.
No, it is
Okay,
not. It is not.
let's try that again.
It is not
To use the
800.
vanity
Listen.
number 1-800-FLOWERS, you would dial 1-800, then the mistake. Could you tell me the correct vanity number you're trying to use?
Yes, the correct vanity number is X strategy run, and the digits are 978, 700. 28 and 3,497. You didn't get it. Let me read it again to you. The complete number is 978, 728, and 3,497, and it spells the words X strategy run. No, it is not strategy one. It is not. It is no. It is not strategy one. No, it is incorrect. Expire in 30 days. Not expire in 30 days. Expire in 30 days. Then I can add to it the video file name and the number that I called as a suffix. Copy and paste it at the end. Control V. Then I'm going to copy the Google Voice path. Edit, copy, and insert it at the beginning. Control V. Now I got the complete file name, suffix, prefix. Edit it and copy to the clipboard buffer, and then file, save as, and then paste, and then save again. And then we'll see if I can upload it now to the cloud. So I go back to the account, to Drive. Then I'm going to select plus new, folder upload. Then paste the folder name again. Now I should have a new subfolder there. I'm going to mark the rest, whatever it is that I don't need. Then press enter once and press enter a second time. Then click on upload once. And then I want to keep both folders. Upload the second time. And now it says 0 of 20 Google Voice, which means that I saved 20 files in this folder and uploaded them to Google Drive, which is a cloud drive. And then I mark a prefix for this line, X and space before the C colon backslash users before the file name to indicate that I've uploaded it to the Google Drive and it includes 20 files. In addition to that, I would like to also save it on another subfolder with its own name, which is X Strategy Run. So I'm going to a file, save as. It will retain the same file name, but now I want to open the document subfolder instead of the Google subfolder, instead of the Google Voice, that is. And now scroll up to the X later. Here is X strategy. I don't see X strategy run, which means that I have to make a new folder. So I'm going to copy the beginning, or I can simply create new and delete it. So my new folder, I paste the string over new folder sub 2, Control V to paste, and then I'm going to delete the prefix and the suffix back up all the way to the beginning, so it starts with X strategy run, and then delete everything subsequent to the end of the phone number. Delete it, so I will remain with only X strategy run at open paren 978 close paren 728 dash 3497. Then double click it to open it. Copy the path to the clipboard buffer and try to insert it at the file name field at the beginning character. Control V, followed by a backslash, so I have an entire string with a prefix and a suffix that are appropriate. Now I'm going to mark and copy the entire string into the clipboard buffer. Then I'm going to save. And now I'm going to paste it, edit paste in my notepad, indicate that I have saved another file and close brackets. At this point, I'm ready to upload the second subfolder to my drive. So I'm pasting it at the select folder to upload dialog box with Control V. I want to delete everything to the right of the backslash. So I mark the whole area for deletion. Then I press the delete button. Then I'm going to press the enter key once for upload and the enter key twice for upload. Then I'm going to mouse click on upload again. And then see that it says 1 of 1, which means it uploaded one file. So I'm going to put the number 1 at the bottom then. At this point, I would like to refresh Psar. So I'm going to click on the Psar icon, stop Psar, wait for it to give me a chance to paste the comment, and then I will paste the comment with the file name. There is a little opportunity to add a comment, so I'm going to click the button, add the comment, and then Control V to paste the comment, and click OK, update comment, OK, and now I want to save it, so I click the save button, and I'm going to paste it in the file name field with Control V, but I want to overwrite the subfolder. I want to use the psar.exe subfolder instead. Psar.exe stands for problem step recorder. So I'm going to copy it to the clipboard buffer and then overwrite the present subfolder with a new subfolder that I want to use. Oh, I forget another thing. We'll have to date it again, and I want to rewrite everything, so I'm going to overwrite part of it. That way I don't have to date it, I will just remove. Oh no, I made a mistake now. So somehow it cleared it from my buffer. I have to save it before I forget about it. So let me copy the whole thing again. Just copy it to RAM. Control copy. Then go save. Then paste. I'll put in the date and time. 3-8-2025 space. The day of the week is capital S, U for, oh no, it is actually Saturday today, so SA space, and the time is 3:09 p.m. So 3:09 p.m. Now the path is psr.exe. Copy it first to the clipboard buffer, then insert it as a prefix to the file name, Control V and backslash. Now I got a complete name. I may also remember that put in a .zip CP, that it's obvious that it's not other formats. Now I'm ready to take it and save it and write it into my notes. Copy to the clip buffer, then select save, then select add additional details, 30 steps. Start a new recording. Control V to paste it in my notes again. File save. I may want to take a break at this point. Save again. I want to quit the video recording and take a little break, then we'll continue later on. So, for that purpose, I have to get the camera software to stop recording. Oops, I guess it never stopped recording again already on its own, which is fine. And then I want MSN record also to stop recording. Okay, so now I want to stop